4 car brands that outlast Toyota. If you think Toyota is the undisputed king of reliability, think again. There are some car brands that outlast Toyota in terms of durability and longevity. In this video, we'll reveal 4 surprising car brands that not only compete with Toyota in reliability, but actually outlast them. You won't believe which brands made the list. 4. Honda, the underdog with endurance. Honda has long been a contender in the battle for the most reliable and durable car brand. While Toyota has always been known for its durability, Honda often surprises people with its resilience, particularly in models like the Honda Accord, Honda Civic, and Honda CR-V. These models are often lauded for their long-term reliability and ability to exceed 300,000 miles with the right care. Reputation for durability. Honda vehicles have a strong reputation for lasting longer than their competitors. The Honda Accord and Civic are perfect examples of how Honda cars are built to endure the test of time. These vehicles have earned a reputation for reliability, and many owners report hitting over 300,000 miles without major issues. Engine simplicity. One of the key factors that contribute to Honda's longevity is the simplicity of its engines. Honda focuses on producing straightforward, efficient engines that aren't bogged down with unnecessary complexity. The 4-cylinder engines in particular, like those found in the Honda Civic and Honda Accord, are known for their balance of power, efficiency, and durability. These engines are capable of handling high-mileage use without frequent repairs. Transmission reliability. Another key point of praise for Honda is its transmission systems. Honda has designed its automatic and manual transmissions to be highly durable. While many other car brands use complex transmissions that may require frequent repairs as they age, Honda's transmission designs are known for their longevity. Real-world examples. Honda's long-lasting reputation can be seen in various real-world examples. For instance, there are numerous reports of Honda Accords and Civics exceeding 400,000 miles with minimal maintenance. In fact, Honda owners frequently comment that their vehicles continue running smoothly long after the 300,000-mile mark, with basic maintenance practices such as regular oil changes, fluid checks, and brake maintenance. Why they outlast Toyota. High-quality materials. Honda uses high-quality materials in their engines and transmissions, which helps prevent premature wear. Fewer complex technologies. While many of Honda's competitors often load their cars with advanced technologies that can break down over time, Honda tends to focus on reliability and simplicity, which contributes to its longevity. Efficient engineering. Honda engines are often engineered to produce a balance of power and fuel efficiency, which minimizes strain on the engine and allows for longer-term reliability. 3. Lexus, the luxury lifespan champion. When it comes to longevity, Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, stands out as one of the most durable car brands, often exceeding expectations in both performance and lifespan. Lexus cars such as the Lexus LS, Lexus RX, and Lexus ES are known for their luxury, comfort, and, most importantly, reliability. The legacy of longevity. Lexus has a well-earned reputation for building cars that not only last for decades but also retain value over time. The Lexus LS, a flagship sedan, has long been known for its long lifespan. Older models of the LS, such as the LS 400, are often found with over 300,000 miles on the odometer and still running strong. The same can be said for the Lexus RX and Lexus ES, both of which are built to last and offer exceptional reliability. Engine and transmission durability. Lexus vehicles are equipped with Toyota's most durable engines, making them capable of lasting well beyond the 300,000-mile mark. The Lexus LS is powered by Toyota's famous V8 engines, known for their low maintenance and ability to perform at high levels for extended periods. The Lexus RX and Lexus ES also feature robust engines that have stood the test of time. Why Lexus outlasts Toyota, luxury and durability. Combined, Lexus cars combine Toyota's renowned reliability with the luxury and features you'd expect from high-end brands. This combination ensures that the vehicles remain durable without sacrificing comfort and technology. Superior build quality. Lexus cars often feature more precise craftsmanship, leading to better construction and fewer issues as the car ages. Minimal repairs. Unlike other luxury brands that require frequent repairs as they age, Lexus vehicles tend to require fewer repairs, which helps them last longer than their competitors. Real-world examples. Many Lexus owners report their cars reaching over 400,000 miles with minimal issues. The Lexus RX 350, for example, has been praised for its exceptional reliability, with some owners noting that the vehicle has run smoothly even after covering hundreds of thousands of miles. Even more impressive, many of these cars are still running well without needing major repairs. 2. Subaru, the rally car that never quits. If you're looking for a car that can handle tough conditions and keep going strong, Subaru is a top choice. Known for their rugged durability, Subaru vehicles like the Outback, Forester, and Legacy are built to endure harsh environments and tough terrains. Built for adventure and longevity, Subaru vehicles are designed to tackle rough conditions, whether it's snow, ice, or rugged terrain. The Outback in particular is known for lasting well over 300,000 miles when properly maintained. Symmetrical all-wheel drive, AWD. Subaru's symmetrical AWD system evenly distributes power to all four wheels, enhancing traction and stability. This reduces strain on components, helping Subaru cars perform longer. Boxer engine. The Boxer engine, with its horizontally opposed design, reduces vibrations, evenly distributes weight, and minimizes wear on engine parts, contributing to the car's overall longevity and stability. Why Subaru outlasts? Toyota, all-wheel drive. Efficiency. Subaru's AWD system improves stability and reduces strain on key components. Long-lasting engines. Subaru's engines, especially the Boxer engine, are designed for durability. Rugged design. Built to endure harsh climates, Subaru vehicles outlast others in tough conditions. Real-world examples. Subaru vehicles, particularly the Outback and Forester, often exceed 300,000 miles, with many reaching 400,000 miles with proper care. 1. Volvo. The 500,000-mile mark is no joke when it comes to sheer longevity. Volvo is often considered one of the top contenders. Known for building durable cars with a focus on safety, Volvo vehicles are often seen as some of the longest-lasting cars on the road. Many of the older Volvo 240 and Volvo 850 models are still running strong with well over 500,000 miles on the odometer. Safety meets longevity. While Volvo is best known for its commitment to safety, the brand also places a strong emphasis on durability. Volvo cars are designed with a focus on longevity, making them perfect for people who want a car that will last for many years. The Volvo 240 is particularly famous for its longevity, and many examples of this model have been seen with over 500,000 miles. Engine durability. Volvo engines, particularly the 5-cylinder and 6-cylinder models, are known for their durability. These engines have been known to last much longer than many of their competitors, even after covering hundreds of thousands of miles. The Volvo 850 and Volvo XC90 are two models that have earned a reputation for lasting well past the 300,000-mile mark. Why Volvo outlasts? Toyota, solid build quality. Volvo vehicles are known for their sturdy construction, which helps them withstand the test of time. They use strong steel frames and reinforced suspension systems that contribute to their longevity. Simple, durable engines. Volvo engines are designed to last, with a focus on simplicity and durability. This contributes to their longevity, even in harsh driving conditions. Consistent maintenance. Volvos are often well maintained, as their owners take pride in keeping the vehicle running for as long as possible. Routine maintenance is key to reaching the 500,000-mile mark and beyond. Real-world examples. The Volvo 240 is a car that has become legendary for its durability. Many of these vehicles have exceeded 500,000 miles, with some even reaching 600,000 miles before being retired. Additionally, the Volvo XC90 and Volvo 850 models have also been known to reach impressive mileages, often with little more than basic maintenance. While Toyota is undoubtedly a leader in building reliable cars, it's important to recognize that other brands like Honda, Lexus, Subaru, and Volvo also produce vehicles that outlast Toyota in terms of longevity. Each of these brands offers unique features, designs, and systems that contribute to their vehicle's durability. When considering a car for long-term ownership, it's essential to weigh factors like engine design, transmission reliability, and the materials used in construction. While Toyota is an excellent choice for many, it's clear that brands like Honda, Lexus, Subaru, and Volvo should not be overlooked if you're seeking a car that will go the distance and keep running strong well beyond 300,000 miles. So when you're shopping for your next ride, remember, durability doesn't always come down to the badge on the front of the car. Explore your options and choose the one that's built to last.